Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable screensaver on your TCL 32V5C TV. So first of all, from the home screen, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. In Settings, select Device Preferences, and in Device Preferences menu, go to Screensaver option. Open it, then go to Screensaver, select Disable Screensaver, and after that your screensaver will not turn on until you change this option to either backdrop or colors. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.